Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRAT India. Today we will discuss about the new loitering munition drones supplied by USA to Ukraine. The US Air Force has sent a brand new suicide drone for use by Ukraine in its war with Russia called the Phoenix Ghost. The White House announced the new drone as part of an $800 million aid package to Ukraine on April 21st. According to Pentagon Press Secretary, the package will include howitzers and ammunitions, 72 tactical vehicles and more than 120 Phoenix Ghost tactical unmanned aerial systems. The Phoenix Ghost is similar to the Switchblade unmanned systems previously delivered to Ukraine. Phoenix Ghost is a low-cost, single-use suicide drone that behaves like a loitering munition, flying around in airspace before ramming itself into a target. The drone is capable of surveillance but ultimately crash into the target and explode on impact. Another drone USA may offer to Ukraine is Anduril Industries Ghost 4, the latest iteration of its small unmanned aircraft system designed for military and commercial use. Designed like a skeleton of a helicopter, Anduril opted for a single rotor setup to achieve lower disk loading, greater endurance and a quieter acoustic signature. The drone can fly for over 100 minutes with real mission payloads. Ghost is incredibly rugged, a mix of well-machined metals and carbon fiber composites with a direct drive motor and minimal wear components. The drone is designed, from the start, for swarming and teaming, according to Anduril, with one operator able to control many airframes across a vast distance by fusing data from thousands of sources into a common operating picture. As per the drone manufacturer, the operator can rely on Ghost to reliably perform all kinds of tasks for them, even when communications are jammed or turned off to avoid detection. The most revolutionary details released by Anduril is that Ghost's onboard artificial intelligence core is capable of performing 32 trillion operations per second, enabling the autonomy, teaming and multi-mission capabilities. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.